Okay, so wanted to give you an update on our Project Camaro Fender that we did so much work to. So this is what it looks like after it's had a smear and been reworked for the problem areas. Actually, the entire thing has been color sanded. This was just overspray from redoing this panel one time. So it's pretty much ready to go to primer at this point. Well, really it is. I have to say that this Fender was a little bit of a Pandora's box. We got into more than what I had anticipated on as far as, that still needs to be sanded, what I had originally thought was wrong with this Fender. But as I said before, I think my preference is to work these original panels if they're savable. I think you'll save the time and the money in trying to get the aftermarket stuff to fit, and you end up with a superior product. This original GM sheet metal is thicker than the Chinese replacement stuff that's out there. Some of the vendors are better than others, but there's even inconsistencies within the same vendor. So I've got a couple other little things left to do on this, but we'll be going to primer with it and then repeating that block sanding process that we talked about earlier. And I did say you're going to color sand this stuff, the body filler, the same way you do the primer. So there you are.